Good morning, Cypress Grove. Happy Monday. Welcome back. We hope you had a great weekend and we're so glad you're here today. We have some important information about restroom policies and changes, so we need everyone to listen up because this is very important. They are effective immediately, so these changes begin today. So as you know, the restrooms in the main hallway and in the back of the grade level hallways have been closed completely, and the front restrooms in the grade level hallways have been open only during classes. They have been closed during passing periods. And the reason we had to do that was because students were struggling to follow campus expectations. They were not being considerate of others, of other people's property, or of our campus property. And so we wanted to take care of our campus and our students, and we found that a lot of students were missing out on important classroom instruction because they were struggling to get to class on time. We addressed this by closing the restrooms and adding teacher monitors to the hallways and to the front of the restrooms. It has helped in some incidences. We have less problems in the restroom. We've been able to identify some of the sources of the issue more easily. However, because you can only go to the restroom during class, we have a lot of students missing quality instructional time. We do not want you to miss class time, so we are trying to implement something to help you be in class as much as you can. Moving forward, here are the changes. We are opening up the 4 restrooms in the grade level hallways. The main hallway restroom will still be closed completely. But during the passing period, students may go to the restroom in one of the 4 restrooms in the grade level hallways. We will have teachers and staff monitor from the door. That means they will stand where they can see the water fountain and the bathroom stalls. They're there to make sure everyone is safe, that they're getting in, taking care of their business, and getting out. You will be able to use the restroom during passing period with the hope that you will not have to leave the classroom as often. However, we are putting into place the first 10, last 10 rule, which means you may not go to the restroom the first 10 minutes or the last 10 minutes. Again, you may not go to the restroom the first 10 minutes of class or the last 10 minutes of class. And if you have to go to the restroom at all during class, please reserve those for emergencies only. The before and after school policy is similar to what's in place currently. The first restrooms in each grade level hallway, the ones nearest the main hallway, will be open. So if you're waiting in the gym, you will show the signal to go to the restroom, and if adult gives you permission, you will go down to the first bathroom in the 5th grade hallway. And the same if you're in the cafeteria, you'll show the signal, and if you get permission, you'll go down to the 6th grade hallway. We should not find 6th graders in the 5th grade hallway, nor should we find 5th graders in the 6th grade hallway, especially in the mornings. And if you have to go to the restroom after school, you need to go to the grade level restroom of whichever hallway that you're in your 7th period. Go quickly, take care of your business, and then exit to where you need to exit the school. Remember, if you're a car rider or a bus rider, you need to be very quick because we start calling your bus numbers and your names at the car rider line very quickly, and we don't want to have to call you over the intercom. So teachers will also be monitoring, and there will only be 2 bathrooms available after school, but you still may use it if you need to. If you have any questions about any of these changes, please ask your teacher. Remember, we are trying to make this the best environment for you. We want you to be in your classrooms learning so that you can be successful and choose greatness every day. But we also want to allow you to go to the restroom at your convenience during passing periods. Thank you, Cypress Grove. Have a fabulous Monday.